Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I usually post about fitness, gym routines and also some motivational videos, but today's vlog is going to be something different because for me, if I have to stay active, it's not always about going to the gym. Now the weather in Dubai is getting better, so there are days where I go outside for a walk or jog, but today I decided to do something even better. I'm going for skiing. Actually, my whole body is sore from yesterday's and day before yesterday's workout, but guess what? I still decided to go skiing today. I don't know if that's the right decision, but we are going. So I thought of vlogging this and making a small come along with me skiing kind of a video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Hope you enjoy it and let's get straight into it. So I'm going to do quickly my makeup and then I'm going to make my favorite smoothie and then we're just going to leave the house. For myself, this is my favorite recipe, just 3 ingredients and you're good to go. Greek yogurt, frozen berries and some protein powder. So the plan is to ski on and off for 4 hours and I think this is the best snack to have before entering my skiing session. And here we are. The jacket goes on there. One of the biggest reasons why I got this jacket was, of course, I love the color. Also these straps, such lifesavers. Now I'm just going to quickly wear any footwear and leave the house. My house is in a mess right now, but guess what I decided? I decided to ignore that and do what I feel like doing. So let's go skiing. I have reached Mall of the Emirates and before I go in, I'm going to quickly pack my backpack. These are all the items I'll wear just before entering the skiing area. So there's a snow hat, then I have skiing gloves, face mask, woolen socks and my camera pouch. And also the idea is once I wear all these things, I'll have just my camera and tripod inside and I'll try to take it in with me. But if they don't allow, I have my phone case and I'll have my phone with me at least. So now we are all ready and good to go. And before I go, I'm going to finish my protein smoothie. Let's go. Hi. Dear, can I get a full day slow pass? Sorry? For me. 0. Yes. No, I have done here. Level 2 I am. That's the share application. So I get 20% discount on my share application. That's the app here. Thank you. Now it's my turn to get my shoes and skis from here.
Hi ma'am.
Hi dear.
You gonna ski?
Yes.
8.5 but the tight shoes.
Okay, give me 38. I think 38 would be.
I'm gonna give you 8.5 but you need to try first. Okay?
Okay.
So once it's good for you, then
Okay.
you can sit on down.
Okay. Let's try the shoes to check if the size is correct. No, I think the shoes are tight. These are big. These are huge. So in skiing, you're supposed to be very particular about your shoe fit. That's the entire game, basically. Okay, yeah, perfect. Perfect, thank you. I think it's a very good fit. I really wish I had someone along with me who could record me while I was doing it, because honestly, balancing, and I'm not that advanced in skiing yet, and then holding the camera and skiing, I'm gonna try my best, or I'm just gonna altogether skip this plan and just enjoy skiing. Initially, I started for warm up on this slope 3 to 4 times, and now I'm going over there on the top there. And I'm going to, not probably the slope, I'll come here and I'll join the slope, and then after 3 or 4 times, then probably I'll try the slope. I don't know, let's see. So this is the cafe that they have inside the ski. So probably when I get hungry, this is where I'm going to eat. So I've been skiing for almost 2 hours now, and now I'm going to the cafe to probably sit there, I don't know, for half an hour, 1 hour, have some coffee. I need coffee. My nose is turning red. My chin is getting numb. I need to be in some warm room. If you guys don't know, I am a Nutella lover, and they have a crepe. Yeah, so I'll have 1 Nutella crepe and 1 cup of cappuccino, please. Card. You know, I always talk about not eating sugar, trying to avoid dessert, but whenever time comes, I always betray my discipline and I eat Nutella. Nutella is the #1 reason why I don't have abs. Free promotion for Nutella happening here. Actually, I can't even talk properly because my chin and my lips are numb. I need some hot coffee. Oh. It's too hot. Okay, I burnt my tongue. So I saved the best piece for the last. Let me know if you guys do that. Like, this was the centerpiece of the pizza, full of cheese and, you know, the sauce. And I always do this. Whatever is the best piece, even in crepe or pizza, I'll always save it for the last. And you know, when I was younger, my brother used to eat that. So after having a perfect meal where I started with Nutella crepe, I had coffee, then I had pizza. Now I'm all energized for another session. Probably I'll ski for another 1 to 2 hours. Let's go. My skis are there. I'm feeling so good after having coffee. This is just going to be a warm-up run. I'm done with my skiing session today, and I was there for 5 hours. I entered the skiing area around 2:30 and currently it's 8 p.m. So I was there for almost 5.5, 6 hours. The reason why I came out was I could have stayed for another 1 hour or so, I don't know. But I literally can't feel my toes right now for almost an hour. My chin is numb, my nose is numb. So yeah, I just wanted to get out of that temperature because I tried so bad, but I literally am not able to feel my toes. And also there was a point where I couldn't feel my entire foot. So I was like, you know what, Gurji, just get out of this place. Oh my god, it's freezing. My socks are like, it's as if it's like wet.
You're doing job now?
Yeah,
Can I be inside it?
sure.
So hi guys, I'm a professional skier named Abdullah Al-Mari, sponsored by Ski Dubai.
Oh,
I have more
nice.
than 10 freestyle gold medals and nothing. That's it. Actually, a professional bowler also.
Oh, nice. Guys, we have another
Hi,
guest here.
Kikals. How are you today? Where you post this?
It will go on YouTube and Instagram.
This one, my friend, she's good skier.
Yeah, kind of. Learning.
Yes, she's learning.
Okay.
And Abdullah taught her today.
Yes.
Oh yeah, he was very good. Okay, enjoy, bye. So we had little guests in the vlog. I really want you guys to see this. It's 8 p.m. I'm heading home. Probably will have dinner and off to bed. My toes are literally burning and itching right now. I think they were frozen for more than an hour and now they're coming back to the normal temperature, defrosting. That's about it for today, guys. Thank you so much for coming along and watching this entire vlog. It really means a lot to me. See you guys soon. Bye.